Hi, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all and welcome back to Authentic Cryptos. Quantum Wallet is currently giving out $900 in Quantum token to their early adopters. So this is how you position for the Quantum Wallet early adopters $900 rewards in the Quantum token. Alright, I'm going to be leaving the link to the Quantum Wallet in the description section and also the promo code that you apply for you to be able to receive the $900 in Quantum token. So this is what you have to do. Follow the link immediately. The reason why I'm making use of my browser is because I just got the link, right? So follow the link in the description and comment section of this video. It will take you straight up to this particular interface which says Quantum Wallet Mission. Create a brand new platform that integrates stuff like that. Honestly, not really matter. So once you are in this particular interface, you can go ahead and explore this particular page right here. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Firstly, make sure you download the app if you are using Android. Download on the app store. So this is for those that are using iPhone. You download on the app store. Okay, right now the Quantum app is not yet live on App Store, so you go with this particular one, this test flight. Then those that are using Android is not yet live on Play Store. Go with locally Android APK. So let me just download the APK immediately. Then we can proceed. Alright, so just click on download anyway. It is as simple as that. It has already downloaded. I'm going to open the file, then I'll click on install. Then I'll wait for it to get up. You can see Quantum Max is already installing. Alright, so the app is done installing. All we have to do is just to open it straight up. Then wait for them to bring it up and we proceed. Alright, so this is the starting point right here. You can see create wallet, import wallet. So I will not advise us to import wallet. I'll just select everybody head straight with create wallet. You click on create wallet, they say read and agree. Then you still tap on create wallet again. Then you set your pin. Okay, so let me do that. Alright, so when you are done in setting up your pin, your 6-digit mnemonic pin, it will bring you to this particular interface which says Quantum Wallet will not keep your backup and mnemonic stuff like that. So this is where we are going ahead to copy our seed phrase. You can see generate a mnemonic phrase. So all you have to do is just to check on these buttons. Make sure you check all these buttons and click on generate mnemonic code. Okay, so alright, so I'll be going ahead to be generating my mnemonic phrase. We already know how to do this. So you just check on the button, then click on generate mnemonic phrase, then you copy it down somewhere very securely, okay? So let me quickly do that for my own, then we'll proceed. So like I said, remember that you have to check these buttons before you can be able to open this particular session. You guys can see that they just check only this one. So you do so by just tapping on it, right? You don't necessarily have to tap on the button. You can just tap on the body like this and it will be checked. So let me do that. I'll tap on this one, tap on this one. Then you see that they have already bring up the interface that says generate mnemonic phrase. So if I tap on this generate mnemonic phrase now, you guys will see my secret phrase, which is not advisable to share your secret phrase. So let me just quickly do this and copy it up, then we'll proceed. Alright, so I've already done updating my secret phrase and you guys can see import successful. Please remember your mnemonics and private secret key, stuff like that. So I'll just have to okay the button, understand, then we'll move. Alright, so once you okay the button, it will land you straight up to the interface of the Quantum Wallet and you will see the interface is very sound, clean and neat, and you will see a lot of tokens right here. We see a lot of crypto coins right here in the wallet. Alright, so this is a very standard wallet on its own. You can see pi, the amount of pi right now. You can see their token. The atu token is worth $0.3 as at the time of making this video, right? So, and we are going to be getting $900 in this atu tokens, right? So this is how you get the free $900. So once you enter here, you can explore the page, explore everything, support, check everything, just twerk around it. Okay. So the notification and everything. So once you are done, like I said, I'm going to be leaving the invitation code in the description section and comment section of this video as well. You have to make sure you copy that code because without that code you are not going to be getting your bonus, right? So once you copy the code and you're done setting up your app, you come to this place that they wrote invite, I've already copied the code of my upliner. So you click on invite, then you come to this place that they wrote, please enter invitation code. So you long press the code that you copied into this particular session. So let me just paste the one that I copied from my upliner. Okay, so that is just it. Then you hit on the submit button, as simple as that, and you will see success. Alright, so this is my own code. Like I said, do well to make use of it. It will be in the description section and comment section of this video, right? So now we just have to go back a bit, and you will see, boom. Hola guys, your token is here. So we have 3,000 worth of SATU tokens equivalent to $900, and you will see your tokens right here. So that is just how to go about it and start exploiting the project. So once you be able to bring in people as well, refer your family and friends, there are still lots of benefits for you. So that is just all we have to do right now. You can as well change the network at this particular session. Just make sure you explore this particular wallet, right? So probably anytime soon they will go mainnet or launch the, let me say, the wallet, and we can be able to swap this token to normal USDT, right? Then sell it and enjoy yourself. So do well to take action immediately after watching this video and claim your $900 in SATU tokens. So I'll keep you guys updated whenever there is any latest updates right here. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and enjoy yourself till I come your way next time. Bye for now.